Cooking whole food, plant-based meals that look and taste great doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. These 41 easy plant-based recipes are oil-free, totally delicious, packed with fruits, veggies, whole grains, beans, herbs, and spices, and perfect for everyday cooking. With mac and cheese, pizza, pasta, creamy soups, chilies, curries, burritos, burgers, and more, you'll find plenty of inspiration in this tasty collection of quick and easy plant-based recipes. Feel like something sweet? Try these decadent desserts. This video is sponsored by a vegan cookbook that I suggest you buy to make delicious meals during your vegetarian diet so you do not get tired of this diet. I put the link to get acquainted with vegan cookbook in the description of this video. Hi there. Number 1. Green bean pasta with cashew pesto. One fan describes this glossy pesto pasta as hands down the most delicious pesto recipe they've ever had. The pesto sauce is made by blending cashews, fresh spinach, fresh basil, and nutritional yeast. Be sure to allow 30 minutes to soak the cashews. Notes another commenter, wow. So delicious and fancy. I didn't have spinach on hand, so substituted collard greens in the pesto sauce. I will definitely make it again. Number 2. Thai rice salad bowls. A feast for your eyes as well as your stomach, this colorful brown rice bowl bursts with complementary textures and flavors: red cabbage for crunch, scallions for an understated sharpness, and sweet potato wedges for earthy sweetness. Serve with cilantro, sriracha sauce, and an almond lime dressing. Writes a commenter, I made this bowl for our family recently and it was such a hit. It's got a bit of everything and the flavors work so well together, especially topped with the delicious dressing. Number 3. Tex-Mex pita pizzas. With pita bread as the base, these single-serve vegan pizzas come together in record time. Top with avocado and a corn and black bean mix for an easy family meal. Number 4. Chock-full-of veggies chickpea flour pizza crust. This gluten-free chickpea flour base is super easy to make and light enough that you don't leave the table feeling bready. Pro tip: batch cook a round of crusts and freeze them for busy weeknights. Number 5. Sneaky chickpea burgers. Looking for a simple vegan recipe the whole family will enjoy? These scrumptious burgers from Drina Burton come together quickly and are a fan favorite for all ages. Carrot and bell pepper lend sweetness, while tomato paste, red wine vinegar, Dijon mustard, and nutritional yeast add tangy flavor. Notes a commenter, I have made these burgers many times for my family and everyone loves them. Another writes, possibly the best bean burgers I've ever had. Number 6. Lentil vegetable soup. With everyday veggies and the rich, almost meaty texture of brown lentils, this easy lentil vegetable soup is one of our all-time fan favorite recipes. Number 7. Kale arrabbiata stuffed spaghetti squash. The hearty shell of spaghetti squash makes the perfect serving bowls for this eye-catching easy vegan meal. And it's so simple: bake spaghetti squash halves in a 400 degrees Fahrenheit oven for 45 minutes, then fluff up the tendrils and spoon a simple chickpea marinara over the top. Note, half a spaghetti squash is one serving. Writes a fan, this is a wonderful recipe and an autumnal/wintry must. Number 8. Hearty vegan red bean chili. Generous amounts of red bell pepper and onion give this stovetop chili a rich and flavorful base, while fire-roasted tomatoes add smokiness, kidney beans provide bulk, and millet adds a subtle chewy texture that's surprisingly pleasing to the palate. Shares a reviewer, delicious and not too much in the way of prep and ingredients. I will definitely make this again. Number 9. Best ever beefless stew. Warm yourself up from the inside with this comforting, flavor-packed stew. Portobello mushrooms give rich umami flavor, while plenty of potato and other everyday veggies lend complex flavors without a fuss. Says one reviewer, hands down the best. Another writes, this is absolutely our whole family's favorite stew recipe. Easy to make and so delicious. Number 10. Carrot dogs. One of our most popular vegan recipes for beginners, these oil-free vegan carrot dogs soaked in a smoky marinade will permanently satisfy your hot dog cravings. Prepare to have your summer barbecues altered forever. Shares a fan, these were fantastic and my picky teenager gobbled them down, too. Number 11. Greens and Things Sandwiches with Carrot Hummus. This hearty sandwich features cucumber, pepperoncini, or roasted red peppers, if you prefer, fresh baby kale, and toasted sunflower kernels. What really completes the sandwich is the homemade hummus, which gets a golden hue and subtly sweet flavor from sautéed carrots, while fresh dill adds a fragrant touch. Notes a fan, I am delighted to be introduced to carrot hummus. It is sweet and delicious and no tahini is needed. Number 12. Easy Vegan Corn Chowder. This vegan corn chowder has all the creaminess you expect in a chowder, but instead of using dairy, it relies on almond flour and potato to get there. Number 13. Creamy Wild Rice Soup. Loaded with mushrooms, wild rice, and shots of red bell pepper, this is a great family soup that's elegant enough to serve to company. Note, the recipe only makes 6 cups, so you may want to make a double batch. Number 14. Quick and Easy Noodle Soup. In this one-pot soup, a few basic veggies, whole grain noodles, and a handful of dried herbs come together to create a comforting dish with flavors similar to chicken noodle soup. Number 15. Nacho Vegan Baked Potato. For an easy, healthy meal, top a baked potato with beans, salsa, and avocado. Pro tip: bake an oven load of potatoes when you have time and reheat as needed. Number 16. Stovetop Vegan Macaroni and Cheese. In this scrumptious plant-based mac and cheese, potatoes and cashews add creaminess, turmeric adds a yellow hue, and nutritional yeast and garlic add a rich cheesy flavor. Number 17. Penne with Tomato Mushroom Sauce. A quick and flavorful tomato pasta sauce is a must-have in any collection of vegan recipes for beginners and experienced cooks alike. In this 20-minute tomato pasta, plant milk adds creaminess and softens the tang of the tomato, no sugar required. Mushrooms deliver rich umami flavor, and fresh, or dried, basil and dried thyme make it taste fancy. I love this recipe. Easy to change to the way that you like it. Number 18. An tuna salad sandwich. Ready in just 10 minutes, this flavor-packed sandwich filling consists of mashed chickpeas mixed with capers, red onion, pickles, tahini, mustard, and a dash of maple syrup. Number 19. Avocado and white bean salad wraps. With the perfect ratio of crunchy veggies to soft avocado and mashed white beans, these easy wraps make a delectable, satisfying lunch. They're also great cut into bite-sized pieces and served as an appetizer. Number 20. Burritos with Spanish rice and black beans. Tasty, healthy, and easy to make, these plant-based burritos make a great hearty lunch or dinner. If you have cooked rice on hand, they're ready in no time. Number 21. Zucchini fritters. Grated zucchini makes a great fritter. Instead of using egg to bind them together, this easy vegan recipe uses chickpea flour combined with tahini and lemon juice. Add green onions and fresh dill seed for extra flavor. A reviewer writes, relatively new to the WFPB way of living, I can only agree with other reviews, these fritters are fantastic. Number 22. Black bean burgers. Unlike store-bought veggie burgers, which are often loaded with oil and highly processed ingredients, these scrumptious vegan patties rely on a handful of whole food, plant-based pantry staples. Number 23. Chickpea omelet. Don't you just love easy vegan meals that use pantry staples and can be tailored to use up the veggies in the back of the fridge? This much-loved vegan omelet from the Prevent and Reverse Heart Disease cookbook is that kind of recipe. Made with seasoned chickpea flour and water, this egg-free omelet is a bit like a savory veggie pancake. My family and I all love this recipe. We eat it often, and not just for breakfast, shares a commenter. Number 24. Spinach potato tacos. There's so much more to tacos than choosing which type of meat you want. For easy, yummy plant-based tacos, this tender spinach and potato filling really hits the mark. Number 25. Black bean and sweet potato quesadillas. You won't miss the cheese in these divine sweet potato quesadillas. Stuffed with salsa, rice, spinach, and beans, this Mexican-inspired dish is one for the whole family. Number 26. Lentil Sloppy Joes. If you're at home at least an hour and a half before you need to eat, this recipe is a cinch. It takes 10 minutes to prepare, then it's just a matter of letting it simmer. Pro tip: make extra filling and freeze for a virtually instant weeknight meal. Number 27. Corn and black bean cakes. Serve these light and tasty fritters for brunch, lunch, or dinner. Enjoy them plain or topped with homemade, or store-bought, salsa and tofu sour cream. Number 28. Stir-fry with peanut sauce. In this easy vegan recipe, crisp, colorful veggies are cooked until just tender and served atop brown rice. Drizzle with a sensational low-fat peanut sauce for the full effect. Notes a fan: absolutely delicious, very versatile with whatever veg is in the fridge. Another writes, "This is my husband's favorite stir-fry. It's simple, made in about 30 minutes, and tastes delicious." Number 29. Taco Spice Tortilla Chips. Baked, not fried, and coated with a tasty assortment of spices, these thick and crunchy homemade tortilla chips are just as addictive as their fried cousins. Number 30. The best oil-free hummus. Ready in just 10 minutes, this oil-free hummus has the zesty flavor of traditional hummus. Feeling adventurous? Try different add-ins such as spinach, olives, mint, or eggplant. Number 31. Ingredient: slow cooker chile. Canned tomatoes, garlic, and a packet of vegetarian chile seasoning give this hearty plant-based chili oodles of flavor with minimal effort. Throw in some dried beans, example kidney or pinto, and let your slow cooker do the rest. You'll be amazed at the result. Number 32. Sweet potato chili with kale. This plant-based sweet potato chili is a treat for your taste buds. Cooked with orange juice, the citrusy spicy flavor pairs perfectly with sweet potato and kale. Number 33. Potato cauliflower curry. In this comforting dish, potato, cauliflower, and frozen peas soak up the complex flavors of a delicious homemade curry sauce. Like it hot? Dial up the cayenne pepper to taste. Number 34. Rice bowls with kidney beans, spinach, and mixed veggies. This satisfying grain bowl combines brown rice, mixed veggies, spinach, and tomato with a creamy cilantro cashew dressing. Don't have rice? Use another whole grain, such as quinoa, teff, bulgur, or barley. Have fun experimenting with other veggies too, you can't go wrong. Number 35. Vegan minestrone soup with potatoes and kale. This hearty stew has comfort food written all over it. The earthy flavor of russet potato perfectly pairs with meaty mushrooms, leafy kale, and creamy white beans. Ready in 30 minutes, this is one of those easy vegan recipes you'll make again and again. Notes a fan: tasty. Very excellent. My husband is extremely picky. He thought it was delicious and wants to see it again. Number 36. Fry fried rice. This oil-free fried rice is packed with veggies. Pineapple adds juicy sweetness while a simple garlic ginger tamari sauce rounds out the dish to perfection. Number 37. Vegan mashed potatoes and gravy. This easy vegan mashed potato recipe features cashews for creaminess, while mushrooms, veggie broth, and dried herbs create a full-bodied gravy. Number 38. Veggie and apple slaw. This colorful coleslaw calls for red and white cabbage, as well as apple, carrot, and celery. Toss with a tangy Dijon vinaigrette and serve alongside burgers, pizza, or just about any meal. Number 39. Potato salad with avocado and dill. Avocado is the key to this fresh and creamy plant-based potato salad. Pro tip: cook the potatoes ahead of time so they have time to chill. Then when you're ready to prepare the salad, all you have to do is chop and assemble. It's that easy. Number 40. Italian-style zucchini and chickpea sauté. Tender zucchini, tomato, and fresh basil is a classic flavor combination with melt-in-your-mouth appeal. This recipe adds canned chickpeas for extra heartiness. Number 41. Spicy French fries. These spicy baked fries make a great snack or side dish. Spoiler alert: the secret to getting them crispy without using oil is to partially steam the potatoes first. Please, if you like this video, like it and share it with your friends so that this video can be seen by more people and you can help people like you who need this video. And also support us. And please ask in the comments your biggest problems about losing weight so that we can produce quality videos about them so that all your problems can be solved. Are you struggling to lose weight on a vegan diet? Let us know which tips you plan to implement in the comments below. Have you lost weight as a vegan? Share your journey in the comments below to inspire others. Look no further for your weight loss training needs. Learn everything with our professional trainers. Only this weight loss channel is enough for you, and you can easily lose weight just by following and watching our videos from beginner to professional. We have a separate category for each topic that you can watch videos related to each topic in its own playlist. Only need to play your favorite playlist, see it again and again to become a professional in that subject, and you do not need anything else. If you are interested in this style of videos, please subscribe our page and click the bell next to it to be informed about our new videos.